Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best gloves for pruning roses and other thorn bushes that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Magid Rose Pruning Gloves. The Magid Extra Long Thornproof Pruning and Gardening Gloves are a reliable choice for men, offering one pair of gloves in size 7S with forearm protection. These gloves are designed in an attractive tan and purple color combination. They provide essential protection for your hands and forearms, ensuring you can work comfortably and safely in the garden. These gloves are specifically designed to be thorn-proof, guarding against scratches and punctures from sharp plant stems and thorns. Whether you're a professional gardener or a hobbyist, these gloves are an excellent addition to your gardening gear, allowing you to tend to your garden with confidence and ease. Moving on at number 4, we have Akjon Gardening Gloves. The Akjon Gardening Gloves are versatile, unisex gloves designed to provide exceptional protection for both women and men during rose pruning and various garden tasks. These gloves are crafted from durable thick cowhide leather, making them resistant to thorns and cuts. They offer long forearm protection in a gauntlet style, ensuring that your arms stay safeguarded from scratches and abrasions while working with plants. Whether you're dealing with thorny roses or other prickly plants, these gloves offer the confidence and durability needed to tackle garden chores effectively. Akjon's gardening gloves are a practical choice for anyone seeking reliable hand and forearm protection in the garden. At number 3, we have Intra-FIT Rose Pruning Gloves. The Intra-FIT Rose Embroidery Pruning Gloves are designed to meet the specific needs of both women and men in the garden. These gardening gloves feature extra long forearm protection, ensuring your arms remain shielded from scratches and thorns while working with roses and other plants. What sets these gloves apart is the elegant rose embroidery, adding a touch of style to your gardening attire. Crafted for durability and functionality, they provide the essential hand protection needed for pruning and handling plants. Intra-FIT's gardening gloves offer a unique blend of practicality and aesthetics, making them an ideal choice for any gardener looking for reliable and attractive hand and forearm protection. At number 2, we have Hanlandy Rose Pruning Gloves. The Hanlandy Rose Pruning Gardening Gloves are versatile and suitable for both men and women. These thorn-proof gloves feature a long gauntlet design, offering extra protection for your arms while working with roses and other thorny plants. Crafted from pigskin leather, they combine breathability with exceptional durability, ensuring your hands remain comfortable and well protected during extended gardening sessions. Available in various sizes, including small, these gloves provide a snug fit for all. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice, Hanlandy's gardening gloves are a reliable choice for tackling pruning and other gardening tasks while maintaining both breathability and durability. And finally at number 1, Exemplary Gardens Pruning Gloves. These rose pruning gloves are the perfect choice for both men and women who want to keep their hands and arms safe while working in the garden. Crafted from durable and thorn-proof goatskin leather, they provide excellent protection while maintaining dexterity. The long cowhide gauntlet extends all the way to the elbow, ensuring comprehensive shielding from thorns and scratches. Available in various sizes, including medium, these gloves offer a comfortable and secure fit. Whether you're tending to roses or other prickly plants, these gloves are an essential tool to maintain both safety and precision in your gardening endeavors. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.